Alright, today I've got an unboxing of this huge package. It is from, I don't know if it says, Brooks Davis. I got this in a trade for my vicious Gia. Alright, this is sort of weird. Alright, inside we've got a sweater. It wasn't part of the deal, but I guess he covered the guns with the sweater. Alright, so let me start pulling this stuff out. Alright, so we've got a SFT shocker. Some extra parts, shocker board. We got a barrel, looks like it's for the shocker. We've got a brand new V2 Prophecy. This side. And here's an ego case. Right, so that's all that's in the box. Yep, that's it. Alright, so first we have ego. Let me pull it up in a second. Alright, so there's the case. There's the gun. It's got lube, some barrels, barrel case, and a gun. Then we got this V2 Prophecy that's brand new. Let me see. It's just a normal Prophecy. And then we've got IUL for the shocker. There's the SFT shocker. Instructions for the shocker board. Virtue shocker board. Let's see what else we've got. Some more boards for the shocker. Some more parts for the shocker. Another back for the shocker, and it looks like a bolt. Alright, thanks for watching.